We begin tonight with a near record day of COVID cases. Good evening. Thank you for joining. I'm Kristen Crowley in for Jeff and Sheba tonight. Over the past 2 weeks, Georgia started seeing COVID-19 cases trickle upward, and now hospitalizations are following. The Georgia Department of Public Health reports the number of patients hospitalized statewide is up by more than 50% this week. 11 Alive's Brittany Kleinpeter is taking a closer look at what areas are feeling the most pressure.
The highly contagious Omicron variant is fueling a surge in COVID-19 hospitalizations, and the strain is now weighing on Metro Atlanta hospitals.
How concerning is it to see those surges and those upticks in those graphs?
We always are concerned as we see these numbers continue to rise in our hospital. Every single surge, every single variant of concern has presented its own specifics with challenges.
In the Metro Atlanta area, the Cobb County region of healthcare systems, which includes everything from Douglas County to Cherokee County, is seeing 20% of their patients hospitalized due to COVID-19. Medical experts want to see fewer than 20% in order for hospitals to be able to adequately provide beds, supplies, and care to patients. Once a region surpasses that number, alarm bells go off.
This particular variant has given us challenges that the previous variants have not.
According to the state, that is the only region that has maintained a 20% average for the past 3 days. But as of late this afternoon, the Georgia Coordinating Center showed that Atlanta's 4 major hospital systems were severely overcrowded, and that Emory, Piedmont, and Northside were all turning away ambulances. Currently, about 230 new patients are being hospitalized on a daily basis. That number was at 150 just 2 weeks ago.
And Georgia's COVID case levels are near all-time records, with more than 1,300 today alone. Look at what happened since Thanksgiving week. Cases are up an average of 700% nearly. The numbers have almost tripled in just a week. What we don't know yet is how many of those cases are breakthroughs. The data from South Africa, which is already past the peak of Omicron, seems to suggest that people with vaccines tend to only see mild symptoms. As of today, 53% of Georgians are fully vaccinated, and 30% of those also got a booster shot.